Why should you choose Bitcoin? Well, if you had banknotes in your custody, in the event of a robbery or natural disaster, it will be gone, right? So how do you save your money in a bank? What if the bank goes bankrupt or the government seizes your funds? Or in the process of an investigation, the bank freezes your account? Well, if you're in the US, you might take legal action, which is always lengthy. But what if you're not in the US or you could not afford a lawyer? Or you're in a country where you're being ruled by a dictator. Now, what would you do? How would Bitcoin solve this? Well, let's say you have 10 Bitcoin in your wallet. Let's go through the same scenarios again. Bitcoin can go bankrupt as it's not a business being run by someone. What if the government were investigating you and wants to seize your funds? Well, unless they can get hold of your keys, it's practically impossible. The government can't freeze your Bitcoin. Or how about freezing your account? Well, you don't have an account with an entity. You are part of that entity. There is no one that has that much power to freeze your account. Choose Bitcoin.